wave nature of matter is one of the most interesting phenomena in physics. Uh, Davison-Germer experiment has proved that uh, moving electrons behave like a wave. De Broglie proposed the matter wave hypothesis, and this matter wave experiments conducted by Davison and Germer experiment proved the de Broglie matter wave hypothesis, de Broglie wave hypothesis. In the last video, we saw that space is filled with a form of matter. So, I believe that the space filling substance, there is a link between the space filling matter and the wave nature of matter. Since the space is filled with tiny particles of space filling matter, when it moves through space, it constantly collide with these tiny particles. I think that this interaction between the collision between the space filling minute particles is the reason for the wave nature of particles. So, this space filling substance, space filling matter, can provide a better understanding of the wave nature of matter. I have published a book uh, about the space filling matter and how it uh, uh, change our understanding of the universe. Uh, you can download my book at free of cost. I have given a PDF link to a PDF copy of my book. You can download. I have given the link to description. I'm Joseph George. Thank you for watching.